Finding fractions of amounts with adamonlinetutoring. Here are the beginner questions, some of the easiest questions that you're likely to find on this topic. Firstly, work out 2/9 of 54. The denominator tells us how many equal parts we're splitting our amount into, and that can be worked out by completing a division. So for this question, 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. Next, the numerator tells us how many of those equal parts we need, and this can be worked out by completing a multiplication. So you take one of your equal parts, which is 6, and we multiply it by 2. So the answer to this question be 12. For the next question, it's worth noting that the word of is the same as multiplying. So the method used for the first question will also work when you're multiplying fractions by whole numbers. So we will start by dividing 21 by 3, giving us 7, and then we can take 7 and multiply by the numerator, which is 4, to give us 28. Since the numerator is larger than the denominator, we would expect to have an amount larger than what we started with. On to the intermediate question with a slight increase in difficulty. Adam and Luke want to sell CDs on an internet auction site. They split the money so that Adam gets 1/3 and Luke gets the rest. They get £90 in total. How much does Luke get? So if Adam is getting 1/3, that means that Luke must be getting 2/3. The total amount was 90. Splitting this into 3 equal parts is 30. And if Luke gets 2 of these, we can multiply by 2, giving us our final answer of £60. On to the advanced question. One of the most difficult questions that you're likely to find on this topic. There are 700 students in a college. All the students are 16, 17 or 18 years old. 3/10 of the students are 16 years old. 5/14 of the students are 18 years old. Work out how many of the students are 17 years old. Starting off with the students that are 16 years old, we have 700 students in total. Splitting these into 10 equal amounts is 70, and if we want 3 of those, 70 multiplied by 3 is 210. On to those that are 18 years old, dividing 700 by 14. 14's go into 7 0 times, remainder 7. 14's go into 70 5 times with no remainder, and 14's go into 0 0 times. Multiplying 50 by 5 is 250. We can add these amounts together, 460, and take this away from the total to work out how many are left, which is 240, and therefore how many 17-year-old students there are. Here's a question I've completed previously. It appears as though I've made some mistakes. Pause the video and let's see if you can tell me what they are or make some corrections in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found that video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. If you're struggling with topics or finding maths difficult, subscribe and turn on notifications to receive regular updates about new video tutorials and other useful content. You can visit and follow all of my socials by clicking the links in the description below.